The quiet of breaking and mending. Deep in a quiet, moss-covered hell, Reno carefully sorted through his collection of smooth, round stones in the corner of his cave. The air here always felt as gentle as a sigh. Yet even in this quiet, there was always a tiny burst of motion. Peepee the squirrel darted around Reno, never stopping. She clutched a perfect, large acorn, rushing to find a hiding spot. Reno gently picked up his favorite, a small, smooth, and perfectly round stone. Suddenly, Peepee zipped past, bumping Reno's hand, and with a quiet crack, Reno's cherished stone shattered on the ground. Reno didn't shout or get angry. He simply turned away from Peepee slowly. It was a profound disappointment and the silent retreat. It wasn't just the stone that broke, but a small, quiet corner of Reno's inner peace. He left the mossy patch to seek out his old friend, the wise owl. "Reno," the wise owl murmured, his voice a soft whisper on the wind. "Broken pieces are just waiting to be understood again. Sometimes, mending requires more focus than creating." Back at the mossy patch, Peepee's busyness had vanished. She sat by the broken stone, intently mending the fragments with tiny drops of glue, extremely slowly and delicately. Her usual frantic energy was gone. Reno watched Peepee silently. This focus, this patience, how similar it was to his own meditation. Peepee was mending, in her own way, not just the stone, but that tiny broken corner of peace. Peepee fixed the final piece. The stone was no longer perfectly round and smooth, but it now had beautiful cracks, filled with the warm glow of being mended. Reno gently settled back into his old spot. Now, Reno meditated quietly, and Peepee quietly licked an acorn. They sat shoulder to shoulder. Peace was not just the absence of frantic motion, but a silent understanding of each other's presence.